G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, young Adam, what did he do this time? Oh, but first, I want to show you this. It seems that YouTube and Wikipedia are now boxing flat earth videos as archaic. Well, good on you guys, well done.
Today we're going to see some space debris kill the reputation of SpaceX, NASA and the globe.
Okay, as for this older video of Adam's, all about space debris, wasn't that a huge swing and a miss?
Maybe even Elon himself has been listening as we get this desperate bit of damage control pumped out. A historic first, supposedly, of a near miss of space debris nearly hitting a spacecraft. And what we're going to see is this supposed space debris coming from our right to our left. It looks out of whack anyway, but then you see its interaction going across the face of this booster that has just been jettisoned. It's terrible. And then it actually seemingly goes through the rocket where the camera's actually on filming this.
When I went looking at the other earlier launch, I saw this.
Dragon SpaceX with that separation call. We have a few words for you from our...
More itty bitty bits just floating around. And these were inside the stage 2 rocket body as well. So this is what you saw, Adam, but once again, you jumped to the wrong conclusion, unsupported by science. So your devastating space debris was really just very close and moving from side to side inside the rocket body. And it was rather out of focus too, Adam, which is why it looks so circular. I thought it looked odd when I first saw it. You can even see it originate up in the front right-hand side in amongst all that pipework, Adam. So why do you keep making up stuff? Is it because of... what's the word that best applies to you, Adam?
Desperation.
Yes, thanks, mate. Well, that's enough of Adam for now. And it's always amazed me that all the super cool things that the LEOs of the world have to ignore just to peddle their space fantasy. When stage 1 is reaching apogee, that's right where it's floated up as far as it can go and it's starting to fall back, everything's all very much in 0G. Have a look at the chunks being spat out by the thrusters, and then by being obliterated by subsequent blasts from the same thrusters. Wow, 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 isn't that just beautiful? Then there was this whole launch in darkness, and then just as stage 1 and stage 2 separated, they both entered into the twilight, and they were both lit by the full sunlight. And as stage 1 started falling back down again after separation, guess what? It went back into the darkness. So I wonder how flatties would explain that. I guess they'll just look away. Now the stage 2, it stayed in full sunlight. And there's a little bit of a globe sign here too, isn't there, flatties? Now just have a look at the angle of the shadow coming off of stage 2. It seems that it wasn't varying by much, but it was varying slightly as the rocket was following the curve. I guess the rocket also had to change angle slightly as it was not really at orbital speed at the beginning of the second stage burn, but it certainly was by the end. Now isn't that just so pretty? And what better way to finish up this video than a little bit of video from channel friend Astronomy Live. Now he captured this from the ground with his excellent telescope and tracker, and I'm going to see what happens if I line up his footage from the ground with the footage from the stage 1 camera. I wonder if all those little bursts of thruster gas will line up. Well, isn't this just so pretty to watch? It must have been amazing to see this from the ground. Well, this is really hard for flatties to look at, I'm sure. Seeing video filmed from the ground that looks exactly the same as what you would see if you're on the rocket looking down. Sorry, flatties, this has got to hurt, hasn't it? Bye for now. If you like what I do here, give me a click, like, subscribe and all those fun things, and see if we can do some more fun things in the future.